What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I think Dogecoin is going to break bullish out of this triangle. You guys, Dogecoin is one of my personal biggest holds right now inside of the altcoin markets, and I expect it to see continuation. So I'll be running over the technical reasons why I expect this to happen in today's video. If you guys are not a subscriber to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, as well as sharing these videos with your friends. I also really appreciate everybody that likes and comments on these videos. Guys, I am dedicated to uploading all through the bull market to keep you guys posted as I see fit on the best coins that I'm personally invested in. So make sure that you guys are a subscriber if you're not already. So this is Dogecoin versus the US dollar tether, and this is on Binance. Currently it's valued at 47 cents, and I want to talk about some of the chart patterns that I'm seeing in Dogecoin and kind of how I personally play uptrends. As you guys know, there's a lot of FUD around Bitcoin right now, and it's making me laugh because at this exact same time in the 2017 bull market, China tried to ban Bitcoin. And they're trying again. And let me tell you, this is gonna skyrocket the price. Do not believe anything that you guys are seeing. Trust the chart because the chart is screaming to buy. So with Bitcoin being in a great buying opportunity and Dogecoin being one of my biggest holds, I expect Dogecoin to see continuation based on Bitcoin seeing continuation. You guys, Dogecoin is forming a triangle pattern. As you guys can see, we have downward pointing resistance levels as well as ascending support levels, and I expect us to break bullish out of this triangle pattern. Triangles are continuation patterns. When you're in a bull market, you expect it to see continuation when this triangle is formed. So as you guys can see, in a bull market, you're going to expect prices to move around and then hit a resistance point, find support, hit another resistance point, find support, and then break out of that triangle. And that's kind of the pattern that I've seen over and over again when it comes to these triangle patterns inside of bull markets and why I'm personally looking for that. I have managed to draw extra lines here. There we go. So this is the pattern that we're looking at with Dogecoin. It's a triangle continuation pattern. Now, when you're trading bull markets, continuation is the name of the game. So you're always looking to buy dips and expect the trend to continue. This is very powerful. If you would have noticed during the pandemic crash last year, a lot of people were selling all of their stocks as well as their crypto and expecting a bear market to come. But continuation proved to be the name of the game. All of the stocks have recovered. They've seen new all-time highs. All of the cryptos exploded shortly after. And that just goes to show that expecting continuation, especially in the big picture like this, is the absolute best thing to do when you're inside of a massive bull market. And that's what we are with cryptocurrency right now. So I do expect Dogecoin to see a massive breakout of this pattern. And yes, I do expect it to hit $1. My VIPs know exactly what price I'm looking at because I'm actually not expecting it to stop there. But for you guys, just know that the dollar price target that everybody talks about is absolutely going to happen. And although this is never financial advice and this is my personal trading journal based on my technical analysis, based on what I'm seeing in the chart, it would be really hard for me to try to tell you otherwise. So Dogecoin is extremely bullish and there's a lot of money to be made on this coin. And this is why it's one of my personal biggest altcoin bags. So let's talk a little bit about Bitcoin because I know there's so many articles coming out right now. There's a lot of FUD, a lot of people trying to get you to get out of the market. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a very quick overview on kind of what I'm looking at with Bitcoin. You guys, I am not bearish on Bitcoin. I've seen this over and over again. You don't know how many times I've seen China apparently ban Bitcoin and it completely recover and see upside continuation after that. People are going to do what they want to do. You know, you try to ban medical marijuana, for example, and if there's kids that are dying from seizures, yet cannabis cures them from their seizures, they're going to do it whether it's illegal or not. The same applies to cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency cures the fiat seizure, if you want to use that analogy, or you could say cryptocurrency cures the issues associated, the sickness associated with fiat currency. And people are going to use it whether it's legal or not. And that's just, people vote with their actions. That's the best way to vote inside of a free society. And even though China may not have the same structure that America does as far as laws go, people are still going to vote with their actions, and that remains true no matter where you are in the world. So for me personally, you guys, Bitcoin isn't a great buying opportunity. Inside of bull markets, 25-35% corrections provide excellent buying opportunities. As you can see, this is a 35% correction, just like how this was a 20% correction, 26 actually, and how this was a 30% correction. So these provide very, very good buy opportunities inside of the bull market. So for me, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin. And the short-term price action is just suggesting that the trend is going to see a reversal, that people are panic selling, that people are delusional. And if we look at the fear and greed index, you guys will actually see what I'm talking about here. The fear and greed index for Bitcoin, we just need to adjust our search a little bit here. So as you guys can see, the fear and greed index for Bitcoin is in extreme fear right now. And any time that the fear and greed index is at this level, we have seen very powerful recoveries in the market. This is actually the very similar fear and greed levels that we were seeing right here when Bitcoin crashed because of the pandemic crash last year in March. And that really took us down to basically $3,500. But this one took us from about $64,000 down to the $42,000 level that we're seeing currently. So I do not change my position on Bitcoin any way whatsoever. I'm very bullish on it. I don't believe the news. If you guys want to learn about the top 5 mistakes that cryptocurrency traders make, go ahead and watch the video I made 2 days ago. Really, really good stuff in that video, discussing about how people panic sell based on news or panic buy based on news, and they usually get screwed. So right now would be a great time to watch that video and understand why I'm still bullish and how this doesn't affect me anyway whatsoever. So if you guys learned something in this video and you want to learn more stuff just like this, or maybe you're ready to take your trading portfolio to the next level, 10x, 50x, whatever you're looking for, reach out to me to join VIP. That's highaltitudecrypto.com. I can help you guys get set up today in this exclusive group. Just send me a Discord message or an email at highaltitudeinvesting@gmail.com. There's all the links for that in the description as well as my email, and I'll help you guys get set up inside of the VIP group so you guys can be calm as well when the market is moving like this. I have a lot of money in cryptocurrency, and this absolutely does not faze me at all. In fact, I was quite inspired to make a video. So if you want to be able to handle the movement inside of the markets, the VIP is definitely for you. So definitely check that out in the description. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I am dedicated to uploading videos as I see fit based on the best picks that I'm personally invested in all through the bull market. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel and sharing these videos with your friends. Thanks again for tuning in, and as always, stay profitable out there.